Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create or make a chart in Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets, and then you just have to select that data which you want to use or which you want to add in your Google Sheets. After selecting the data, you just have to hover over to the top where you will be able to see these tabs, and then you need to click on Insert. In the Insert, you will be able to see the chart option, so you need to click on Chart, and then you will be able to see that it has created a chart for you. Now if you want to add any other formatting into it, then you just have to click on this chart option, and then you will be able to easily change its formatting. Now in order to access more features, you will have to click on this three dots in the top right hand corner, and from here you will be able to see the edit the chart option. So by doing so, you will be able to edit this chart by using these options of customize in the right hand side. Next, if you click on these three dots again, then you will be able to delete this chart, download it, publish the chart, copy it, and move into your own sheet, and you will be able to add alternative text into it. So you can customize the chart as per your own need. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.